Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel and channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the weekly Google Sheet that is a stock option scanner. And also we are looking for an intraday update and monthly positional as of now. How it is works. As of now, in monthly we got a lot of stocks. So more than 40%, almost to 16 stock, which given you the positive side. And negative side, we have some other 13 stocks. So this month, in 10 days, within the first 10 days, we are achieving more stocks, which given you some good opportunity, like IOC, Canara Bank, BPCL, and SBI, and recently, which given you the opportunity, and it was moving TCS, OFSS. So a lot of stocks sale. Okay, it's about a monthly concept based on our Google Sheet which you are using and based on our advanced option strategy concept. So in weekly also we are finding some lot of opportunities. So based on our strategy, weekly 3 to 4 trades, monthly 3, 5 to 6, 7. So that's good enough on positional basis. In intraday, which we are adding on our Google Sheet, it's purely for an intraday purpose. So every day the sheet is going to be updated. Once the sheet is updated, so after 9:30 only, so we are looking for a fresh breakout. So some stock, it is work based on the Cambrilla R4. So in this video, I'm going to update you that particular weekly and daily sheet, which is going to be updated for positional one. In that case, every week we are updating the sheet for positional as well as monthly basis. Okay, so here in this case, today weekly and intraday is going to be updated, and monthly still it is not going to change. It is still waiting for up to the month end. That is means till February end we are waiting, and the weekly sheet which we are going to look for from 12 to 16. So last week we have this much of opportunities in weekly also. So something around we got uh, more than 13 stocks which given you more than 30 percentage. So we are looking for one or two for a monthly one. And weekly intraday we got a lot of opportunities in both the sides mixed way. But in this intraday, if we are looking for using an intraday, uh, we need to find out a right stock and liquid one. And also we made a scanner for intraday. So I have updated in the group. So those who are using my Google Sheet. So you will be getting that intraday update also. In this live session, I'm going to update the weekly and intraday sheet. And people who are asking how to use it, so already we made a video that available on the website. The website link will be available in description. So if you want to how to use the Google Sheet, you can go for, but the main core of this Google Sheet is working based on my positional trading concepts. So for that only I created this. Now I have added weekly concept and my intraday concept. Intraday Cambrilla R4 level, which broken on a particular strike price of that particular stock. Okay, it is not about the stock specific, it is particular strike specific. So if the strike price which given you the breakout over and above to that particular R4 level breakout, so that stock will be filtered here. And after 9:30, if you are able to find out such a good breakout opportunity, that would be a great one for your intraday trading or even short-term option trading. Okay, so weekly is about working based on the positional concept, monthly also working based on the positional concept. And if you want to use it, so you can utilize the top listed stocks for your own strategy, or you can apply your trading method on the stock. So it is looks like a scanner which you can find out in it directly and stock options. Okay, so weekly last week also good result. So let me try to focus for the next week. That means 16, 12 to 16. So we are updating the sheet weekly once, and daily sheet is updating daily, and monthly is updating monthly once. So after this update, you will be not getting the historical data. That means the previous one. Okay. So that you need to understand. So that's why we made a video. So what are the things which is happening based on weekly last week? That is also be mentioned here. So let me try for an update on this sheet, which will fetch the strike prices. and the entry prices based on the advanced option strategy concept. Those who are a student who are already finished that strategy, you will know very well about how to do the positional one. Okay, so let me try to update all the strike prices getting updated, and also you will be getting the newer entry opportunity. The weekly which you are using for a weekly ones, and monthly which you are using monthly one, daily which you are using daily trade. So that is the concept which are used for our positional trade. But intraday, intraday sheet is not exactly same for it is not work based on my strategy. It is works based on my Camarilla R4 breakout on a particular strike price. Let me try to update for the next week and tomorrow. Both we are going to try to do it here in this live session. After that, you will be getting that details. What are the things? Wait for the update. So weekly positional as well as monthly positional, both we are going to update here. So once it is updated, so the strike price will be changed, and the newer strike price, newer entry price will be updated. Okay, so all the thing is updated right now for call side, like strike prices also be changed and entry price also be changed. The newer strike price, newer entry price. From tomorrow after 9:30, if you find out any good opportunities by using this particular list, so you can apply your strategy, or you can apply your own strategies like 1.1, 2.2, 3.2, or future options, or SBB, whatever the strategy which you want, you can utilize, and still monthly position would be the same. And those who are our positional trade that is going on, IOC, Canara Banks, a lot of thing which is given you, and I think IOC it is reaching the peak maximum, and Canara Bank that is also be perfectly working well, and intraday also be updated. What are the stock which is showing you here, and intraday that particular strike price would be not liquid. So like Indu Copper, UPL, National Aluminium. So these are all this, like even Biocon. So at that particular strike price, it is not a liquid one, and in the side National Aluminium also be there, sale also be. So you can see both the sides the stocks are available. So it is not currently liquid. So simply ignore those stocks. For tomorrow's opportunity, you will be ignore those stocks, and whatever the new stock which we created, then you can utilize that stock for our trading. I hope you enjoyed the session, and if you want to access the Google Sheet, just ping me on the WhatsApp number. It's a paid one monthly subscription available, so if you want, you can just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions and doubt also, you just comment on the comment box. Thank you.